Alright, y'all, client of mine just bought this house, trying to get some tenants in it. So, energy company won't come put meters in until all this is cleared out. So, clearing this away, all this gets cut. So, they gone now. Yeah, get them gone. All right, so this section is the main reason why we clearing out this whole section. Energy guys want to get back here and do what they got to do, so I got to wipe all this out. Big bushels. Big.